Good PM, ngayon po ay Saturday, October 28, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM Digit Games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM result ngayong Saturday, October 28, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM result ngayong October 28, 2023 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto, 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Saturday, October 28, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimate of Lotto 642 is 28 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 56 million pesos for October 28, 2023, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, October 28, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.